Hi everybody, this is Dr. Chang. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of constipation naturally and at the same time help you to take some inches off of your waistline. In other words, help you to lose this belly fat. So what I'm about to show you is actually ancient Chinese healing technique that I learned from one of my mentors. And for this, you don't need anything. You don't have to make some fancy herbal tonics or laxative. All you need is just your hands. All right, so here we go. So put your hands out and then clap your hands as hard as you can. You want to hear that nice big sound. And then I want you to go ahead and rub your hand as fast as you can. Just keep rubbing and rubbing, right? Really hard until you start feeling the heat coming out of your hands and between your palms. And you can stop and put your hands, for example, your right hand on top of your belly button, right here. And then slowly, I want you to make a circle, kind of in a clockwise, and start with a small circle around your belly button, and then gradually increase the size of the circle. Just keep turning, okay? Keep gliding over your belly, right? So slowly do that. And make sure when you're doing this, this is not a colon massage technique, but this is actually energy technique. So you need to put your mind into it and focus and imagine the energy coming out of your hands and kind of warming up your entire belly or abdomen, right? So slowly doing this, all right, all the way until you come up to the here, like upper left abdominal area or right below the left rib cage, and this is where you can stop. So you can practice this at home, perhaps about 3 to 4 times in the morning and 3 to 4 times in the evening time, and do it consistently for maybe for a few days or so and see what happens. You'll notice some changes in terms of your constipation, and like I said, your belly can get smaller too. The reason why is this, because when you actually do this technique, your hand can meet the bioelectric magnetic field, right? It's like energy coming out, and then when you rub your tummy with that, it can actually help to shrink your body fat, believe it or not. Another bonus point is this: if you are also experiencing like diarrhea, for example, you can use the same technique, except you could do this in reverse. For example, you can start from here, the left upper abdominal, right below the left rib cage, and then kind of going the other direction. So you want to go, instead of going clockwise, you can go counterclockwise and slowly just turning around your belly until you come all the way up to top of your belly button. You can stop. Again, this is really easy, so give it a try. And if you like this technique and then get some benefit out of it, please like and share this video with people you know. And then and also write some comments about how this technique will help you with constipation and also help you lose some of that belly fat. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Lastly, in just 3 minutes, Dr. Chang can help you change your life.